Hey guys,
YouTube video.
welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to just be
Walking, taking a stroll around the pack.
I'm gonna walk
With Master Yoda.
Master Yoda.
I'm Master Yoda. Your training shall begin. Your training shall begin.
Your training shall begin.
Don't face it, I'm leaving. Different windows. He wants everybody to see it. He's like, yeah, fuck that bitch.
Let's go to the near creek.
No, that's not here.
Yeah, the near creek.
It'll be a near creek.
Dun dun. Hey Yoda, how you gonna walk?
I haven't thought about that word before.
Yoda.
I'm Yoda.
Shut up, Yoda.
Go down there. Good.
What?
Oh. Dude, look out!
What?
This bear. Hey, dude, knock this web down. Like,
No. Hey Daniel.
yeah.
It's a bitsy spider. Came the rain and it all came. Hey Daniel.
But you grab our defensive sticks.
We're going to the creek. We're at the creek. You might know this creek.
If you live in Kettering.
Yes, you might know this creek.
All you Kettering people out there, if you vote for Trump, go Trump. Like, please leave the comments if you vote for Trump. Are you voting for Trump, Xavier?
Yes.
Me too.
Sorry. I still like you people if you like Hillary.
Or old ass Bernie that's gonna have a stroke in 2 years. He's so
God.
goddamn old.
God. Jesus.
So old he needs super glasses.
Wait,
He needs 10 glasses in a row.
are you talking about that little Caesars person?
Little Caesars.
Yeah, that little Caesar commercial.
Oh yeah, the old man. I am.
Needs to do
And
that.
I'm talking about the And I'm talking about the Muhammad episode on South Park when they need 800 magnifiers to search his penis up.
Look at this penis.
Why he must little jack off. Get it little? Like he really jacks off.
Really? Oh my God, why are you talking about jacking?
Oh shit.
Why are you talking about jacking?
Jacking. Don't you mean jacking off? Haha.
Oh God.
Oh yeah. Shit, Popo. Run!
It's the poo-poo! Yeah, trust me, we didn't even do nothing. The poo-poo! We're just acting.
Popo again.
Popo? Why do you hear Popo? There's not no Popo.
Come on, Popo lost us.
Oh, yeah, right.
Oh, close.
We weren't even chased after. Sorry if you keep looking at the ground.
We can't show you the face. Our faces. Only in that clown mask.
Yeah. So, how are your guys' life?
Subscribe to me, Call of Duty Awesome.
He will be.
Club Shark.
He's really hard to find. Call of Duty Awesome. He's really hard to find.
Yeah.
Because his name has Call of Duty and awesome in it. Because then, if you look him up, it'll have awesome
other shit.
Like awesome trick shots and bullshit like that on Call of Duty.
Yeah.
Even though he has a couple videos, but he's still hard.
I got 5 fucking videos.
I know.
I cannot.
I have like 58 and 56.
Yeah, my channel fucking sucks balls.
I know.
Cause you, plus you have more consoles than me. Hey, look, it's my homemade shotgun. It's a Civil War. Run, man, come on.
I'll shoot the Red Army!
Sorry, you British people.
Hey, Daniel! Hey, Daniel! Daniel! Shoot the redcoats! Wah, wah, wah. I died! Like, what have I done?
What have I done to my poor man?
Sorry, we're in America. We are very sorry.
We like to kill the British people.
Oh, come on.
We're not you British people. We actually don't.
No, we actually don't.
Alright, come on, let's get to the park already. Let me scan the area for adults. That's why I have this shotgun. Kids there.
Shit.
Make another video of it.
We're on
Enjoying nature. Part 2. Enjoying nature part 2. Yeah, let's enjoy nature.
Let's hope we know.
Let's take a cut path. To get to the British faster, we need to recruit.
Oh yeah.
Go that way.
Oh yeah. I'm wearing a vest. Okay.
Yeah. You have a wool vest on. It's just a regular vest, but
yeah. I just put it on because it's comfy.
Yeah, it is kind of comfy. I wore it.
It ain't
sleep.
It ain't that hardy. It ain't that hot either. We are in Kettering though.
Yeah. It's hotter than bloody hell out there.
Yeah, especially with black on.
You ain't supposed to wear black on.
Black clothes. Yeah.
Yeah. I have black clothes and you have black clothes.
Mostly gray.
Mostly gray. But yes. Very bloody hell hot out. Hey dude, let's not keep saying tough words. There's some big try to jump us water.
I'm going to end the video here.